Hi guys, this is Vince from DLINK Philippines. So welcome to our another unboxing video of our Wi-Fi 6 series wireless routers. So today, I'm going to do an unboxing of this DIR X1860 Wi-Fi 6 1800 wireless router. This is the second Wi-Fi 6 router na na-unbox po natin dito sa ating channel. So sa mga hindi pa nakakapanood doon sa unang Wi-Fi 6 unboxing video, ang model po nun is the DIR X1560 Wi-Fi 1500 wireless router. You may check that video on the link above. Okay? And para po malaman natin kung ano ba yung main difference between that Wi-Fi 6 router to this Wi-Fi 6 router. Alamin po muna natin ano po ba ang wireless 6 or Wi-Fi 6 na tinatawag. So si Wi-Fi 6 or A22.11ax, siya po ang latest wireless standard na ginagamit po natin ngayon. So, ano po ba ang main advantages of using the Wi-Fi 6? Unang-una, it has a higher capacity compared to the previous Wi-Fi 5 or yung A22.11ac. So, higher capacity means it can handle more devices connecting to this device, lalo ngayon, hindi lang ba sa cellphone ang may Wi-Fi. Diba? Mayroon tayong mga smart devices, cameras, etc. And another thing, it can handle more bandwidth and it can deliver much faster speed compared again to the previous Wi-Fi. And it also supports a much advanced MU-MIMO. When I say po na advanced, kasi unlike the previous standard, ang communication between your router and the client, it can only handle the download speed. Okay, but on the advanced MU-MIMO, okay, or updated MU-MIMO feature of the Wi-Fi 6, upload and download simultaneous is kaya na pong gawin sa wireless 6 na standard. So meaning, ano po ibig sabihin nito? Mas mabilis po yung transmission ng data, so mas bibilis or gaganda ang ating speed. Another feature ng Wi-Fi 6 is yung tinatawag na TWT or Target Wake Time. So ito pong feature na to, it will allow you to conserve energy or battery sa ating mga devices na kumokonect sa kanya. So hindi siya ganun kalakas gumamit ng energy. So ayun po ang some of the common features ng Wi-Fi 6. Okay, so ito na po ang ating DIR X1860 Wi-Fi 6 router. So as you can see, napakaganda po ng ating box. Consists of black and violet.
Ito po yung side, and at the back, you'll be able to see the information and features all about the router. It really has a very nice packaging. Here's the front again. So tara po, unbox na po natin. Let's see kung ano po ang laman ng device sa ito. Open na po natin from the side. Okay, and let's slide the router out from the box. Yan. So as you can see, we have the common device documentation, which includes this quick install guide. Very important kasi nandito po yung default Wi-Fi and password for the initial setup and configuration, and also the warranty card. Okay, and the other one is the quick install guide. So let's put this aside first. So wow, ito na po siya. Okay, so as you can see, it is covered with a protective plastic. So buksan na natin. So okay, so as you can see, it has not one, okay, not two, but four, okay, big external antennas to give the most coverage in your home, okay, for you to enjoy the Wi-Fi 6. And ayun po yung LED lights, and at the back you have the Gigabit WAN port, and meron pong 4 na LAN port for your wired devices, and you also have this WPS button for easy connectivity for other Wi-Fi device, reset power, and the power socket. Okay, and meron din pong kasali to na LAN cable, Ethernet cable. And of course, to power your router up, you have the power brick for this, or the power adapter that came with it. So to summarize, kung ano yung laman ng ating box, you have the DIR X1860 router, Wi-Fi 6 router, okay? And you have the Ethernet cable or UTP cable, the power adapter, the documentation, okay, which includes the quick install guide, the installation card, and the warranty card.
Also, before I forget, as I've mentioned earlier po, so ano po ba ang main difference nitong DIR X1860 doon sa ating X1560? So, ang main difference lang po nila is yung Wi-Fi speed po nila. So, both of them are running the latest Wi-Fi standard, which is the Wi-Fi 6. The X1560 is our entry-level AX router, which have 1500 Mbps on both 2.4 and 5 GHz. And this one, it can go to our mid-range Wi-Fi 6 router. It has AX1800 Mbps for both 2.4 and 5 GHz of frequency. Okay, so that ends our short unboxing video for today. I hope you guys have an idea on the difference between the Wi-Fi 6. And the next video, I'm going to show you kung gaano po ka-simple siya i-set up. So,
sa mga hindi pa po nakaka-subscribe sa channel po namin, please subscribe to our channel para po ma-update at ma-notify po kayo pag may mga bagong devices, unboxing video si DLINK. So, thank you for watching!